Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. And with big news, Hillary Clinton came out in total horror of the state of affairs of cryptocurrencies. It is at risk of dethroning the US dollar and, of course, bringing worldwide collapse to the whole economic stability of the world. Now, I talked about this in the last video, maybe 2 or 3 videos ago, because you can foresee a lot of this happening with inflation coming around. And with the energy, they're pushing the energy crisis and trying to find ways to say, oh my goodness, this is because of cryptocurrency mining. It's all out there. With Staples Center being renamed to Crypto.com, again, we have a huge push now going forward because of the momentum. A lot of momentum going forward with a lot of investors, young people, middle-aged people, all getting access to their funds and seeing the real power of cryptocurrencies. But not just that, but with blockchain. And again, with the recent attention, thousands of Ethereum investors, and then they're attempting to purchase, and exactly just what they tried to do today was, purchase a copy of the Constitution. That's amazing. A lot of new businesses are adopting it, getting access to cryptocurrencies, AMC, GME, Visa, a lot of new cards coming out. I mean, the list goes on and on with all of these slow new adoptions of it. The big banks are getting more into this with the ETH funds, and we're aware of that, but this is going to be scaring people. The fact that this scares banks, the Fed, and governments around the world gives this system more awareness to everybody. Not just that, it just makes people like me laugh and scoff at the idea that if you don't trust, the government doesn't trust their own money, and they have to step back and say, oh my gosh, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to be causing a huge instability. Well, that doesn't give me faith in the US dollar. Totally not at all. I mean, this is the greatest argument I could ask for crypto, is what Hillary came out today and said. Another great example of the point of how cryptocurrency and blockchain is going to be a major power in the next 1 or 3 years, just even more so going forward, just exponentially growing. Because think about this. The money we work hard for is actually yours, and no one has the power to magically bring it into existence. Banks, governments around the world, they don't hate decentralized cryptocurrencies for no reason, because they know what they're losing. And that's incredible, right? And big headlines today. U.S. could run out of cash as soon as December 15th. Yellen has insisted that U.S. is possibly at default, right? In which now the Treasury is going to delay interest payments on debt. This could again devalue the U.S. dollar and launch the country as well as the world into a major recession. Surprising, right? No, it's not, because we're aware of this thing. Because we know right now the blockchains pose the biggest threat to traditional finance and, of course, middleman collector fees. Because this is what's happening. The explanation, of course, and you have to understand that because blockchain can permanently record any information. Credit scores, debt-to-income ratios, home value, verification, it just goes on and on. Everything is there, and basically that middleman is eliminated. Where I see this as a great area of access to the stockbrokers for a possible elimination in the future of market makers. There's a lot that can happen. I mean, the whole book is open, though. A whole new playing field is open. Because right now we have a worldwide creation of trading platforms, exchanges, online brokerages. And again, Ethereum is undoubtedly one of the most liquid financial assets. Completely. Very cheap costs, and coming soon on layer 2 through ZK rollups right now and some other protocols. They're going to change the way we live, work, and play every day with cryptocurrencies and blockchain and how we interact with Web3 going ahead, moving forward. For Web3, that's something else going to be in developed right now. And again, very soon, Bitcoin's going to be reaching a market cap of $74,000, which is equal to silver's market cap, which is $1.36 billion. That's going to scare them. JP Morgan has recently said, crypto could be the biggest innovation of our lifetime. Well, they don't have to. Could be, it already is. All right, they've talked about how this crypto space has passed the tipping point and only grow bigger. Yes, rocket boosters are on full speed, and they have been going full speed for the last decade with Bitcoin and the development of a lot of the protocols and programs and projects going on through Ethereum. It's fantastic. The world right now, we have to see it's becoming a more decentralized place as it becomes more digital. which is going to allow blockchain technology to play a crucial role in the development of all financial institutions. And this is what scares them. They cannot manipulate and keep printing off money anymore. So it's the Hillary. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to the next bull run, which is probably going to start right now. So I'm going to go back, turn on my exchange, take a look at the price of, I'll say, Loopring, which I think today, the afternoon for me, started when I was going to buy in again. It was at 225, and I think right now it's at almost at 280. Be interesting to see how Bitcoin does the next 24 hours. So all of you out there, you got to love this news and these people. And again, I'm so excited for the old man club to die off, to pass it on to the younger generation of people who know what they're doing. There'll be bumps and bruises along the way, as expected with every new technology that comes in. But again, this moving forward brings a lot more light to a system that's been held back by the old man club. Game on.